Ladies and gents, it's Gina with WTI. Ever since my husband became a beardo, it has been a constant struggle between us to keep the bathroom sink and counters clean. If this is something that you struggle with also, then you have got to get yourselves one of these bibs. My husband can put it on himself. That is a total plus. Thanks, Beard King. It simply goes around his neck and he secures it with the Velcro strap. He has a 15-inch neck and this fits perfectly. There's ample room for different neck sizes. So of course, the genius part of this is the design. It's suction cups to the mirror and then the sides come up to form a little pocket. So as my husband trims his beard, shaves his neck, all the little pieces of hair go into the bib instead of onto my countertop. This makes cleanup so easy. All he does is carry the bib outside with him, take it off, and then shake it out. So this is nylon material and the hair doesn't stick to it at all. It just quickly slides off and makes cleanup super easy. And it folds up into itself, into its own little carrying case, and that makes storage easy. I just love this. It is amazing. Just as a cautionary, to remove the suction cups from the mirror, make sure you pull where there's the little tab part. So my husband made the mistake of trying to get this off the mirror without doing that, and he actually broke one of the things that secures it to the bib. But thankfully, the company foresaw that that could be an issue, and so they sent extra ones. This beard bib has been amazing. It's saved our marriage because we no longer squabble about all the hair that's on the sink. It's great. Get yourselves one, and that's our point of view.